Alright guys, so the first added thing I'm adding to my camper is a Blackstone. It's 17 inch, hooks right up into the line on my camper. I'm just using a can today, the regular Coleman fuel, just to get it going. Just doing this out on the porch, getting ready to season it. So yeah, this is something I've been wanting for a while. So, oops, excuse me. Just going to go ahead and get this thing ready, start seasoning it now with a little bit of, I'm using lard, just straight pork fat, so, sorry. Get a nice thin layer on there. And they say be sure to coat the whole thing, so get that melted. Got my drip tray in there. Okay. Come on, paper towel. Alrighty. It's been a long time since I seasoned a new grill. I worked in restaurants and in the Army. If we got a new grill, this was always somebody's job to get it good and seasoned up. So, see how this one turns out. I'll probably try to do at least 3 or 4 layers on this. And then we'll check back in just a second. Alright guys, it's starting to darken up a bit. I'll let that burn off. It's going to take a little bit. It's a little cooler. It's in the mid-50s right now, and it's a little windy, so I'm just going to let this burn off a bit, keep processing, or keep going with it for about another half hour or so. I might have to come back again tomorrow. I was going to say also I bought the cleaning kit, scouring tool, brick tool, scraper, so this is always good. It's got extra pads and scrapers. I think I paid maybe $12 at Walmart for that. And then I got the griddle kit. It's got a couple squirt bottles. It's got a, not a scraping, but a separating tool, and then 2 spatulas, and I think that was 20 bucks at Walmart. So, alright guys, I'm sure when I get out camping I'll make some videos cooking on this. So, alright guys, have a good day.